everyone, welcome back to question number 54, and today I have a question on permutation and combination. Till now I have not taken any question on that, so I thought one question is worth taking today. Let's start with it. In how many ways can 8 identical pens be distributed among Amal, Bimal and Kamal so that Amal gets at least 1 pen, Bimal gets at least 2 pens and Kamal gets at least 3 pens? Though most of the questions of permutation and combination are actually aptitude based, but yes, we need to do some hard work before going through those questions. So therefore, I generally do not take those questions because answers are quite large many times. But here I saw a question worth discussing. Let's start doing it. We have 8 identical pens and 3 people. So I've taken these 8 pens and the 3 people. So these 3 are Amal, Bimal and Kamal. Question says there are 8 identical. Identical means absolutely similar in all matters. And these are to be distributed among these 3 people. Amal should get at least 1. Bimal should get at least 2. And Kamal should get at least 3. These 3 guys are having their conditions. I want at least 1. I want at least 2. I want at least 3. So I'm saying because the pens are identical, can't we just do one thing? Let's give them 1, 2 and 3 pens initially. So out of these 8 pens, let's give 1 pen to Amal, let's give 2 pens to Bimal and let's give 3 pens to Kamal. Now their conditions are met. Now they would not be asking for anything else because their conditions have been met. The remaining 2 pens now, you can distribute them in any way. Whether you give it to someone or not, it does not make a difference. So all the 2 pens can go to one guy. You can give 2 to him, 0 to him, 0 to him, or 0 to 0 or 0 0 to. These are the 3 possibilities. Or I can also give 1 1. I can give 1 to this guy, 1 to this guy, 0 to this person, 1 to this person, 1 to this person, 0 to this person, or 0 1 and 1. And these are the only 6 ways in which these pens could have been distributed after giving those initial ones. So therefore the right answer for this question is 6. Such an easy question once again was asked in CAT 2017 slot. Thank you very much.